Here's my 2010 Honda Civic that's getting ready to get painted. I had to put a new front bumper on, new hood, new rear bumper, along with like all the grill pieces that go in the front. Lower grill, upper grill. There's the rear bumper I put in. Pretty easy. Alright, this baby is going to Maaco. There was a little dent over there, tiny little dents on that quarter, some pings that I took care of. Okay, so this is just a visual diary of having your car painted at Maaco. Anyway, I'm getting the urethane job. I'm a dealer, so they're charging me $600, and I'm going to show you the after.